introduce Jason Moss to you. He's with Georgia Manufacturing Alliance. And basically, they do a lot of networking through the manufacturers in the state of Georgia. Maybe let him tell a little bit more about what you guys do.
Yeah. Thanks, Brett. I appreciate that. What we do, we're a networking organization designed specifically for manufacturers in the state of Georgia. We've been around for a little over 7 years now, helping support our industry and helping make good connections between machine shops, engineers, manufacturers of all different kinds. And our goal is to help support, grow, and promote manufacturing in the state. We do that through a variety of different educational and training sessions. And like we've done today, we love to take our folks out and do some plant tours. I really appreciate you having us out today. This was an amazing tour. The feedback that I've gotten so far has been just off the chain. Everybody loved coming out and seeing your facility, seeing how you're set up, and also how they can be good resources for you when they're out in the field doing whatever it is that they do and working in their factories. They now know that they've got a great resource that they can rely on that's local that can save them a lot of money. And that's, my goal is to help people make money and save money in manufacturing and promote the growth of manufacturing statewide. So again, thanks for having us out here today. It was quite fun.
Yeah, no worries. We're glad you guys came, and we enjoyed the breakfast, the tour, and everything else that went along with it. And so, as far as other repair facilities you might have seen or even being here, what are some of the differences you noticed at Global than maybe what you've seen in the past, or even manufacturing facilities for that matter?
Well, yeah, we have toured a variety of places, everything from small mom and pop machine shops with a mill and a lathe up to Briggs and Stratton, the old Snapper plant down in McDonough, to ZF Wind Industries, and even we took a tour of Anheuser-Busch not long ago. Took about 50 people out there and had some samples, beer for breakfast at 9 o'clock in the morning after we took a great tour. So that's a lot of fun. We get to see some cool places and check out different manufacturing environments. The things that stood out for me was the way that you guys are organized. It's clear that you're focused on providing great service and providing something that's needed in the marketplace. People need to be able to know that you can repair equipment rather than just replace it. I didn't, before we met, I didn't know that you could do that. I thought you just had to buy a new piece of equipment every time.
That's right. You walked in one day, and you met me, and we're just like, hey, and you had no clue, and you're like, what is this big building going on up here? What's up here built out, so that's awesome.
Yeah, we've crossed paths quite a few times since then.
Yes, we have.
Some of the trade shows that we both go to and attend. But the things that really stood out for me today was, again, the lean processes that you've got in place, the tracking that you have on the equipment, and the productivity going through your facility. Being able to turn equipment, vital equipment around for manufacturers in such a short period of time, and being able to offer the warranties that you offer. That is huge. I mean, an 18-month in-service warranty is something that's unheard of. Even in the in the OEMs and new equipment, you guys are able to outshine a lot of the manufacturers on their own equipment, which is pretty cool.
Because typically they're like 12 months.
Right. Yeah.
They're 12 months. Some of them are 12 months from install. Some are 12 months from invoice. And stuff. So. But no, you're exactly right.
I mean, those are some of the things that really stood out for me. But the piece that I'm about is I'm about the people of manufacturing. And the thing that I really that was apparent is the environment around here. I mean, you go into different places and you see different cultures, but really promoting your people and having incentives for them to be able to really shine and pay for performance, and being able to be around people that are excited about what they do. I mean, I love being around passionate people because nothing happens. If you're passionate about what you do, it really shows through in everything that you do, and also in your end product. And you guys have got that going on. So I'm proud to be a part of that and being able to share this message with all the manufacturers that we currently deal with, but also being able to be aware of the other services that you provide, because people come to me all the time and come to our members looking for resources. I mean, the directory at Georgia Manufacturing Alliance is a very active directory. People like to keep business in the state and do business with people that are doing business with them, and so it's a win-win. I mean, being able to promote Global to our manufacturers and being able to promote our manufacturers to Global. I think I brought a couple guys in here that you know, could be good resources for you. We'll see how that turns out. but,
Hey,
Yeah.
we'll take it any way we can get it. We love it.
Yeah.
Here's the thing: we want them to make money, us to make money, and everybody be happy, and you know, overall the customer and the end user to be totally satisfied with what we've done for them and it's a work. You know, and that's the key thing for everything. So. Well, look, man, I appreciate you sharing your experience today, and you know, if there's anything we can do for you or anything for Georgia Manufacturing, let us know, and we'll definitely check back with some other interviews later on, and we appreciate you watching. Thanks.
Thanks, Jeff.